The new Colobus liqueli is a medium-sized monkey, but it's the smallest colobus, and it's covered in dark hair. And then on its face, it's got this really magnificent orange cream-colored lips and area under the nose that sticks out, especially when it roars. And then it's got this really spiky black hair around the side of the face and on the top of the head.
The Lomami National Park is a very remote place, difficult to access and also high, and probably this is why it took long time to actually discover the species and also collect more data on it.
I think 2026, having a new monkey species come to light after all these years of being in the landscape, it's just really rare. So we're really excited to have the next steps for learning more about what liqueli, its ecology is and its evolutions. It's really, really extraordinary.